So roasted veggies are probably one of my favorite things to make because they're super simple and they're nutritious. So I have some asparagus here and I've already cut the end off because it's really not tender. So you definitely want to cut that off. And I have some extra virgin olive oil, some pepper, and some kosher salt. Basically, all I'm gonna do is preheat the oven to 400, which I already have that going, and then drizzle these asparagus with olive oil, add some kosher salt, add some pepper. Next, I'm gonna just kind of toss this in that whole mixture so that it gets evenly coated with the oil and the salt and pepper. And then I'll just evenly kind of spread them out on this sheet so that they can roast. When it's done, you can also get creative by adding things like lemon juice or Parmesan, but I usually just stick with simple, basic. It works really well for me, and I'm usually really busy and I don't have time or care. I just want to have food. So this is one of my favorite things for that reason. When the oven's preheated, place the asparagus in the oven. And you're gonna wanna cook this at 400 degrees for anywhere between 15 and 30 minutes, which on my oven usually translates to being around 20 minutes. Just to be safe, you may want to check it after about 15 minutes to determine how long it's gonna take on your oven. After about 20 minutes, the asparagus in my oven looks like this. The asparagus is crispy at the top and just soft but not mushy.